Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I came at Najibur Bazar in Gurudashpur, Nathur. So uh, I came for making video for my YouTube channel Khairul Islam TV New Bazar. So if you want to see my YouTube channel, so please go to YouTube channel and search Khairul Islam TV, New Bazar and Care English Jadu English Star. So I have there a lot of channel. So really I cannot speak English, but I try how to improve English speaking. So please, if I mistake any word or any sentence, please help me and teach me. By the way, first of all, I woke up early in the morning and after Fajr prayer, are you ready for coming to Najibur Bazar? So, mashallah, after coming, I start making video. So, after making video, now I am going to Chaskur Bazar, Gurudashpur, Nathur. So now I am walking on the road and making video for YouTube channel. So just all time I think how to make sentence, how to memorize the vocabulary. So I try, but I cannot speak English. English is very hard, many people say it, and many people say English is just language. After that I try, but I cannot improve English. So please help me then and pray for me. Inshallah, anyhow or any way I can I want to speak English. I want to speak English anyhow. So please help me. And if you like this video, so please subscribe, share and comments and keep watching my video. So bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.